Do you like the area that you live in?
Yes, very much indeed. There are good public transport links and lots of convenient facilities. I love the fact that I don't need to travel far to do something I want.
What are some changes in the area recently?
Well, a large shopping center was built 2 years ago, so there are lots of shops and a cinema, which is my favorite, and some residential buildings are being constructed nowadays.
Where do you like to go in that area?
As I mentioned, there is a cinema near my apartment, so I frequently visit there. Also, there's a big bookstore, so whenever I have spare time, I spend some hours there. Well, the most special hotel I've stayed in is one called Kensington Hotel, which is in Jeju. I went there a few years back. When I first went in there, I thought it was massive. The main hall was so fancy, which made me very excited. Also, the room I stayed in was gorgeous, too. I went there with my colleagues as a workshop. My company treats team managers with a trip every year, it's like a fringe benefit. So, I could just relax and enjoy hotel facilities without paying for anything. I found this hotel very relaxing. There was a huge bathtub in every room, and I particularly loved it. I bought lots of bath bombs and had a nice bubble bath every night. I didn't even go out much and only stayed in the hotel most of the time. Also, the facilities in the hotel were outstanding. Apparently, this hotel is well known for its rooftop pool, so when I went there, I thought it was very nice. Everything was very satisfying, and I wish to revisit there soon.
Do the ratings of hotels influence people's choices?
I'm sure it does. The higher ratings are, the better facilities hotels offer, so people who want to stay somewhere nice would consider the ratings quite importantly.
How do people reserve hotel rooms?
Well, nowadays, people usually use hotel booking apps, like Hotels.com or Booking.com. Since everyone carries their mobile phones, they don't really ring up the hotel or send a booking form via email.
What can influence people's choices of hotels?
The most important thing would be location, especially when people are traveling. For people's convenience, the location would be the first thing to consider. Also, I would say facilities as an important thing. People prefer staying in a hotel that has many interesting or convenient facilities.
What's the difference between the hotels in your country and those abroad?
I don't think there is much difference. Hotels are like franchises nowadays, so in most countries, they have similar facilities and offer similar services. But I think hotels in Korea are a bit cleaner compared to ones I visited in foreign countries.